Good evening. Today we're drinking whiskey. I've been sent this really cool looking package from Lord Rocks. Really excited to open this one. So let's go ahead, see what's inside. Okay, so first of all, beautiful box, wooden box, really well presented, and we've got the Lord Rocks logo ingrained in there, looking really nice. Open it up and have a look inside. Okay. Safety first. We are presented with two beautiful whiskey glasses, and we've got some whiskey stones. Now, if you don't know what they are, very simple to use. We've been kindly presented with this bag here. What you do is, you get your rock, or rocks, and you put them under the water, get them nice and cold, put them in the bag, stick them in the freezer. Then what you do, take them out of the freezer and they'll be ice cold, which you can then place into your beautiful new whiskey glass for an ice cold glass of whiskey. Now the benefit of that, of course, is you won't dilute your drink. So when you use a normal ice cube, you end up watering down your whiskey. And when you've got a nice bottle of whiskey like this, you don't want to do that. You want to taste it in its full. We go ahead and put a couple of rocks in the freezer now, and we'll put them in the drink and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, I'm back and I've got my freezing cold rocks now. Oh, they feel so cold. I'm gonna get them in the glass. And I've been waiting all day for this. It's been a hard day at work. Let's enjoy a nice glass of whiskey. Cheers. Beautiful glass of scotch there. Freezing cold, just the way I like it, and not diluted. Doesn't taste watery at all. Full body flavour. And I get to enjoy my whiskey in style as well. I mean, it's a beautiful glass. The rocks are really cool. They're almost like a little talking point when people come over, because not everyone knows about whiskey stones. It's a presentation piece as well. Like, I'm going to have this presented next to my drinking cabinet here at home. And any time that I want to enjoy a nice glass of whiskey with a friend, I'll be opening this up, bringing out the glasses, having the ice cold rocks ready to go, and we can enjoy our whiskey in style. So this is actually one of the larger packages that they have. We've actually got two more sizes, which is really great. So we've got this one here with a ever so slightly smaller glass. Pull that out there. Comes with 6 stones. We've also got a nice small one here, which is literally just the stones and the bag in there. Come with a very handy little guide here, very well presented, nice wooden design which matches the box perfectly, explains everything you need to know for you to get started with your fine Lord's Rocks. So, if you're a whiskey lover, go ahead and get yourself one of these Lord Rocks kits right now. Enjoy your whiskey in style. You can enjoy your whiskey without diluting it. And they also make great gifts for the whiskey lovers in your life.